Hi y'all, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm John.
I'm Melissa.
And we are Woodall's RV in USA. And today we wanted to tell you just a little bit about our travels that we're going to be doing in our 2023 Roadtrek Zion. We're going to be traveling across the USA and also the great state of Tennessee, which we live in Middle Tennessee. And probably until Melissa gets retired, we'll just be spending a lot of time exploring around Tennessee and the surrounding states. I'm an ex-highway construction worker. I've got about 20 years working with a major rock and asphalt company in Tennessee. And for the last 25 years, as a county highway engineer for one of the 95 counties in this Tennessee. And also, I got more titles than I don't know what to do with. I'm an interim music director for our church. And everybody says I'm retired.
You've been retired for 5 years.
Yeah, for 5 years, but I don't think I've been retired for 5 years. I still have to work. So tell me a little bit about you.
Well, I'm a mother of two. I've worked as a waitress and a bartender. Now I'm an administrative assistant to our solid waste director in our county. I've had a lot of other jobs, but we'll talk about them later.
We'll talk about a lot of that later, but right now we need to tell everybody about who this content's for. Well, if you love Class B RVs and love travel, this channel's for you.
If you love to learn to cook or cook in an RV, this channel's for you.
And if you love to see us make idiots of ourselves, this channel's for you.
So if you like to work on an RV or you like to learn how to make close quarters work for you in an RV, this channel's for you.
That sounds like a lot of stuff, and there's probably more we're not even mentioning. So we're asking you to come join us for our travel to new places, exploring the unknown, and just having a plain good old time with us on our journey. Our first video will premiere June the 7th. Mark that down in your calendars, June the 7th on Saturday at 9 o'clock with weekly content every Saturday. Please subscribe and help keep our journey going. Now, we're going to let him enjoy our intro, right?
Cool.
Here you go.
Rolling down the road, got my sights set high. From Tennessee skies to the mountains wide in my Roadtrek Zion, chasing the sun. Woodall's RV in USA, living the dream, enjoying the day.